termination of pregnancy. This medical termination of pregnancy, in short form, it is called as MTP. Let us understand what is MTP, why it is necessary, how it takes place. Okay, it is intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before the full term. We know that pregnancy lasts for 9 months, right? Okay, it takes place for 9 months. When the mother have some diseases or some problems, then she can abort it. This is also called as induced abortion. It is intentional because mother intentional there might be problems taking place in the mother body. There might be diseases, so it is intentional or voluntary. Voluntary termination means there might be problem in the coming child. Okay, there might be diseases, there might be inflammatory problems taking place in the body of mother or the born baby. So it is the aborting induced abortion before the full term. Full term means before the 9 months. Okay, has a role in decreasing population. Obviously, helps in the decreasing population. How? If the child is if his child is not borning, it is aborted before the full term, then what happens? Population does not increases because child is not born. Child already has been aborted. It will help in the decreasing population. It will also become essential when continued pregnancy may prove to be fatal to the mother, fetus, or to the both. If the continued pregnancy takes place, if the abortion does not takes place, then what happens? Mother may die. Fatal means mother has some diseases, they may transfer to the fetus, then fetus also can die, mother also can die, or both of them can die. It is very necessary to do medical termination of pregnancy when this type of case takes place. But it is not when you think that a female child, you can't find a sex determination before not do sex determination, because if you find it as when you do sex determination, when you do find it that it is a female, then you cannot abort it. This type of cases must not be taken place in the medical termination of pregnancy. This case takes place only when there is a fatal to the mother, fetus, or to the both of them, means both mother as well as fetus. Then only this case must be done. In India, MTP is legal. Government has made it legal, but with certain strict conditions so as to prevent female foeticide. Okay, but with certain conditions. What is this condition? This is a condition of amniocentesis. What is amniocentesis? Means sex determination based on the chromosomal number. Earlier, what would happen? They would determine the sex. It would be means finding the born baby is male or female. When they understand it is a female or male, when they understand it is a female, then they would abort it. This type of cases must not be done. Then there will be illegal. It will be illegal and there will be punishment to that person. But in some places, MTP is used with amniocentesis. What happens? MTP is done with the amniocentesis. What is amniocentesis? Means checking the female foeticide. It is female foeticide means checking the sex determination based on the chromosomal number, and when the fetus is female, it is aborted. Such practices can prove to be fatal to the mother as well. Or what happens in some cases? They used to do amniocentesis. Amniocentesis can also be dangerous to the mother as well. Mother can also die when she intentionally or non-intentionally practices such type of case. It is very wrong.